It's mama in the kitchen laughing loud. Rice in the pot, we're blessed right now. Siva in the lounge, cousin on a chair. Phone on live, we don't even care. Little kids running, chasing that fan. Simple things, that's the master plan. Life ain't poo-poo, so we vibing all day. Drink up the joy, let the worry fade away. Laugh with your Aiga, dance while you stand. Cause you'll never really know when they call your name again. Life ain't poo-poo, so enjoy it while you can. Late night waves talk to the sand. Stars look close like they know who I am. Old songs playing from a busted ride. We off key singing but the mood feels right. Tallow on the table, stories on repeat. Uncle said the struggle made the win so sweet. Tears in his eyes but he still say smile. We only here for a little while. Life at poo-poo, so we vibing all day. Drink up the joy, let the worry fade away. Laugh with your Aiga, dance while you stand. Cause you never really know when they call your name again. Life ain't boo-boo, so enjoy it while you can. Yeah, alule tapolo, I'm chasing peace. Fafe time ole ola, every breath I breathe. Hold to your love, don't wait for the end. Tell them ute alo fire te oe. It's said, life ain't poo-poo, so we vibing all day. Drink up the joy, let the worry fade away. Laugh with your Aiga, dance while you stand. Cause you never really know when they call your name again. Life ain't poo-poo, yeah, enjoy it while you can. Oh yeah. Life ain't poo-poo, yeah, enjoy it while you can. Life ain't poo-poo, so we vibing all day. Drink up the joy, let the worry fade away. Laugh with your Aiga, dance while you stand. Cause you never really know when they call your name again. Life ain't poo-poo, yeah, enjoy it while you can. Oh yeah. Life ain't poo-poo, yeah, enjoy it while you can.